Are you looking for headphones that combine performance, comfort, and safety for your workouts? Shokz, the pioneering and leading brand in bone conduction headphones, hits hard with its latest model, the OpenRun Pro 2. This headset, designed for outdoor athletes, promises sound quality never seen in this category while staying true to the brand's DNA, allowing for open listening that keeps you aware of your surroundings. With notable improvements over its predecessor, it redefines what you can expect from a bone conduction headset. If you're curious to discover its strengths and limitations, stay with us and be sure to check out the link in the description for more info. The OpenRun Pro 2 maintains the minimalist and ergonomic approach made the line successful with an ultra-lightweight monocoque frame weighing 29 grams. It is practically imperceptible even during long hours of use. This smart design features ergonomic ear hooks paired with a nickel titanium memory wire that ensures both flexibility and durability. It is available in two sizes, standard and mini. The standard version fits most head shapes, while the mini version is ideal for smaller heads. No matter which size you choose, you get a headset that stays in place even during the most intense movements, like sprints, jumps, or exercise routines. In terms of durability, the OpenRun Pro 2 is IP67 certified, meaning it is resistant to water and dust. However, it is not suitable for swimming. This level of protection makes it perfect for outdoor training, even in heavy rain. The real advantage of this headset is its new dual-pitch technology, a major innovation that combines bone conduction for highs and air conduction for enhanced bass. This dual technology provides sound quality far better than the usual standard of bone conduction headphones. For the first time, you no longer have to sacrifice audio quality for the sake of safety. The headset is also equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a fast, stable connection with an extended range. Its battery life reaches 10 to 12 hours depending on the listening volume, which is enough to cover several training sessions or a full marathon. And thanks to the fast charging feature via USB-C, just 10 minutes is enough to get an extra hour of listening. A notable improvement over the previous model that used a less convenient proprietary connector. Finally, the OpenRun Pro 2 features two microphones optimized by an artificial intelligence algorithm. These microphones filter out up to 96.5% of background noise including wind, allowing for clear calls even in noisy environments. On the field, the Open Pro 2 stands out with an exceptional user experience. During running tests, it showed a perfect fit. Whether you're doing high knees, sprints, or even sudden movements, it stays firmly in place without causing any discomfort or pressure around the ears. In terms of comfort, its lightweight design and open style make you almost forget you're wearing it. Even after several hours of use, no discomfort or fatigue was reported. This is an important detail for marathon runners or triathletes who need to rely on their gear for long durations. In an urban setting, the extra volume available compared to other models is a real plus. Even in noisy streets, the headphones allow you to fully enjoy music or podcasts without the background noise taking over. The controls are simple and intuitive, with two buttons on the right ear cup for volume and power, and a multifunction button on the left ear cup to manage music or calls. These well-placed physical controls ensure easy use even during intense activity. Compared to its predecessor, the OpenRun Pro, this new version stands out with significant improvements. The dual-pitch technology offers richer bass and a more balanced overall sound. The addition of the USB-C port simplifies charging, and the improved battery life allows for a longer listening experience. Compared to other bone conduction headphones like those from competitors Shokz or Vidin, the OpenRun Pro 2 clearly has the edge thanks to its innovative hybrid design and superior audio performance. And when compared to OVR earbuds like Apple's AirPods Pro, it remains the ideal choice for athletes due to its durability and safety in OVR environments. In conclusion, the Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 is a headset that redefines the standards of bone conduction. With its improved sound quality, unmatched comfort, and technological innovations, it stands out as the best choice for demanding athletes. Whether you're a marathon runner, cyclist, or just a fan of outdoor sessions, this headset will provide you with a unique experience that combines listening pleasure and safety. If you want to know more, head over to the link in the description to check it out or to buy it. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I thank you for that. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment to share your thoughts, give it a like, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching, see you soon, ciao ciao.